Not many people know that there are leaves in your kitchen that can actually help you reduce blood pressure, improve your memory, and also improve respiration, oxygenation in your entire body. And these are bay leaves. For decades, for centuries actually, bay leaves have been used to repel insects, to repel bacteria, fungi, and there are many health benefits that you might not know about, that taking bay leaves every day can actually turn around your health in more ways than you have ever thought. What are bay leaves good for, and how do you use them? How do you prepare them? Should you be taking them as an infusion, as tea, maybe as an extract? What is the correct way, and what time should you be taking it every day to get the best health benefits that you can for your entire health? Now, for years, I have only used bay leaves to add flavor to beans until I found out that they can also calm the mind, reduce memory loss, help improve circulation, and also sometimes even get rid of infections like bacteria, fungi that sometimes so many people are suffering and do not know what to do about them. If you take bay leaves every day, this could have an impact over time. But before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos but have not yet pressed that subscribe button or that bell notification sign. Maybe a future video that I do publish and something I say could actually, with something that I don't mean to say, even go ahead and save your life. So please press that button and let's get on with the video. Number 1, bay leaves boost memory, brain function, and concentration. We don't really think of the brain as something that is commanding every single organ in our body. Our liver, our intestines, our respiration, our lungs, our complete wake and sleep cycle is commanded by the brain. And when you lose memory, when you feel brain fog, when you feel that your memory is not the same as it was maybe 20 years ago or 30 years ago, you have to consider that the brain is also helping you function your entire body. And if you're feeling these symptoms, then probably it's not doing a great job in making sure your body is staying healthy. Therefore, you're getting old. You're seeing oxidation. You're seeing problems with brain function, but at the same time with your body that has to function properly. Bay leaves are here to help. You see, bay leaves contain compounds like sinus, which can have stimulating effects on the brain, and its aroma may help clear your mind and improve focus. It's been seen over and over in many studies that bay leaves have that effect, and if you are suffering from memory, well, you should give them a try. Maybe they help more than you expect, and they can really reverse maybe even a disease that you will have in the future just because your brain is not commanding your organs properly. Your metabolic rate is not properly being generated, and you're seeing problems arise and many symptoms that are coming up that are not yet diagnosed by a disease or a sickness. If you need something natural for this purpose to improve your memory, reverse maybe symptoms of dementia, of Alzheimer's, and much more, look for Brain, Neuroflex, and Appleizer from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, it's a decongestant and expectorant. When boiled in water, bay leaves release vapors that can help clear our airways. Now, bay leaves are considered one of those antibacterial and antifungal leaves that can be used for just about anything. If you make vapor out of them, you can breathe them and clean your airways. And sometimes we don't consider our lungs as important because we don't think about the importance of oxygen in circulation. If you don't have oxygen, you won't burn fat. If you don't have oxygen, you won't burn sugar. If you don't have oxygen, you won't produce energy, and therefore your cholesterol will rise, your triglycerides will rise, your sugar will rise, just because maybe you have mucus in your lungs. You need some clearing out that bay leaves can actually just about do right. Now, our grandmothers in natural medicine from way back knew that they were good in cold and flus and bronchitis or sinusitis. And you can do the same by maybe using steam inhalators or drink it as tea if you wish. If you need something natural for respiration, for allergies, to make sure that you can get rid of sinusitis, look for Cerasuth, Flufend, and specially also I'm Defense from Fineland and allergies at finelandvitamins.com. Number 4, it improves digestion. Bay leaves are excellent to clear out bacteria, fungi, and sometimes we're full of parasites even with our digestive process and we don't know about it. Just so you know, bay leaves can actually stimulate gastric juices and support faster and a lighter digestion. It can also help with gas, bloating, or intestinal cramps. And just a cup of bay leaf tea after meals can soothe your stomach and in the way or during digestion, help you clear out maybe candida, sometimes even parasites, sometimes even certain bacteria that might not be helpful to your digestive system that are doing you more harm than good. Bay leaves are everywhere. They're cheap to get. They're cheap to find, they are delicious when you add them to your food, and they can also help you improve digestion in many more ways than just one. Remember that if you can't digest your food and you are sick with your digestion, you will have problems over and over again. Number 5, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Bay leaves have been known for centuries to be some kind of repellent against insects and also bacteria and fungi. And it doesn't come lightly because we need it. We need it in many ways. We sometimes get infected and we don't even know we have it. Maybe fungi on our skin or in our digestive system. And we have to understand that even the tea of bay leaf contains oil. You can buy oil if you want, but it can fight certain bacteria and fungi. And it's used in many natural products to treat mild skin infections. The only thing you need to do really is just to use it. Maybe use it as tea, as oil, any way you want it, and I'll tell you just specifically in a minute how you can prepare it at home to make use of it the best way possible. Now remember, fungi, bacteria, infections, parasites, these are all something that the body needs to cleanse every 6 months. If you're not doing it, well, it's more than sure that you have some type of infection that you are not cleansing yourself with that is only gonna get you sick in the future. Look for something like Paraflush. Look for something like Woman's Probillion, or even Berbrain from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 6, how to use it and when. Bay leaf is something that can be used as oil, as tea, maybe as crushed as an extract, something that you can take in capsule form. There are many ways to take it, but the easiest way, and something that you can use every day, is just as an infusion, right? You boil 2 to 3 bay leaves in a cup of water for 5 to 10 minutes, and you drink it once or twice a day. That's all you need, really. If you want to apply it on your skin, you may even need an essential oil, but if you want to take it every day, that's a more practical way to do so. Don't forget that bay leaves also cannot be consumed in excess because they are a little strong with the oils they have, so make sure you don't take the oil directly. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.